बरेच जरा ताजा पाणी मस्त.
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I have already started my ride and that's my motorcycle. It's 7:30 and we have been riding from 6 o'clock and we have barely crossed 60 to 70 kilometers. Actually last night I did not sleep, so I had to start a little late. I was working on my last vlog, that is this Sealant Sealine H anti-puncture solution. You can go ahead and check that video in my channel. And also I put a video for this Rhinox tank bag. I'll put it in the I button. And yeah, it's wide open road. We are enjoying. I have one pillion with me, and today we are going to Okhrey, and ETA would be like 4 or 5 in the late afternoon. And that's my pillion. His name is Manish. Say hi, boy. The time right now is 11 AM and we have covered 186 kilometers and still we have 111 kilometers to go. And that's my friend Manish. He's stretching all his muscles because he has already got a sore bum. Now how can I not vlog while passing through this Sevak road? It is one of the most iconic road in North Bengal. We have come from this side. This way is Siliguri and this way it is Sevak, and one feels so close to nature when they are taking this route to reach Sikkim. I mean, this is the only route to reach Sikkim, and that is my motorcycle. बाहर खाना मगर देश से खाएगा. कैसा है मनीष? Well, this is the condition of my newly washed motorcycle. Look over here. Look at my shoes, man. There has been several landslides and some conditions of the roads are so bad that I could not even get chance to switch off this action camera because I was so busy maneuvering my motorcycle, which was too heavy for me with all this luggage and also as a pillion. वीडियो करता है। अरे गिरेगा नहीं ना। This is the way to Jorthang. We took a left from Chitre. Now we'll refuel our bikes. Distance covered is 255 kilometers and we still have 54 kilometers to go, and expected time to reach would be 5 o'clock. Notice from Sikkim government that because of maintenance of this above mentioned roads, they have set a time schedule for operation of this road. It's saying it will be closed from 11 AM to 3:30 PM. And the time right now is around 3 o'clock. We'll have to wait for half an hour, enjoy these views. And there's such a long queue of vehicles. Many people are stranded over here from 12:30. It's like 3 hours for them to wait over here for this road to open. Estimated time to reach Okhrey is another 2.5 hours. If the road opens at 3:30, so it will be 6:30 for us to reach Okhrey. Now this is a problem because in hills it gets really dark after 4:30 or 5 at max. So that's a little bit worry. Other than everything's fine. Okay.
हाँ नेटवर्क है।
Okay. लगा कॉल लगा।